All right, team, let's get it. Welcome to the Friday here at the High Performance Trader, and today we're going to be sticking to the fundamentals. All right, we're going to be sticking to the basics, guys. Nothing crazy, but I'm actually really excited to have this session because I'm going to show you guys how I've been trading in these current markets. Okay, the markets have been extremely volatile, and you know what volatility means? Money. Okay, there is tons of opportunity. There's constant opportunity, and we just have to be able to identify it, right? So first thing I want to talk about here is the pre-market plan over here on SPY. We could do it on ES or SPY. It really doesn't matter. I have them set up the exact same. Okay, so I'm going to pull up ES over here just so we can get an idea of what we're playing with. So first things first, I'm on the 1 hour time frame. What is the purpose of the pre-market plan? Okay, the purpose of the pre-market plan is context. We need to identify the context, and the more context we have, the more we understand what it is the market's trying to tell us, the easier it is for us to execute. Okay, so over here you'll see on ES 6593 is critical. All right, give me a second. If I pull up my pre-market plan here, very simple, okay? 6593, this is the level I'm watching today. This is exactly like what happens at this level is going to tell us exactly what we need to know. Is it going to be bullish? Is it going to be bearish? Okay, so I'm going to be watching this level very closely. You can see here buying acceptance above this level, and I'm looking to target 6622, 6642, 6663. All right, sellers take control of this level, and not just this level, but the 20 EMA. Okay, you guys see that right there? Look at, if I pull up the charts, what's happening right here? Okay, look at the 20. And you guys already know, if we can't close outside the 20, what do? We trade with the 20. So that's exactly how I treat the 1 hour time frame the same exact way as a 5 minute, as a 2 minute, as a 1 minute, right? The moving, and that's the beautiful thing about the moving averages, right? They work on all time frames. They may not work on every time frame at the same time, but the principles that apply to the moving averages work on each individual time frame as it is appropriate. Okay, it's like a reference. So that's exactly what I'm watching today. I'm watching this level. I like that 20. I like seeing sellers hold it. I like the 9. Look where the 9's at. 9 super low down here. A short play down into the lows is not a bad idea, right? So now what do? We wait to identify the opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at right there on ES. Let's take a look at Tesla. It's Friday. All my options traders, we got to check out Tesla as well. All right. So check this out. Tesla, I have a critical level right here at 39859. Okay. Once again, this is just bullish structure forming on larger time frame. Okay. This is what we call the inverse head and shoulder. All right. So I'm looking for buying acceptance above 39859 for longs into 403 and 406, and any buying acceptance above 406. And I'm looking to target that guy, 41188. And of course, previous day high all the way up there. Okay. Now, if sellers take control of it, we'll know. And selling pressure below 398 means puts down to EOD in previous day low. It's the same thing every single day, right? My process never changes. I'm always trading in like, if you really do a deep dive into like what it is we trade and how we trade it, basically what we're doing here is just identifying the context, right? Who's in control, etc. Give me 1 second, guys. Just let me know if she's up when we leave. All right, let's get this money. Few things I like to remind myself before every session, right? You got to be grateful, right? Like, look at we literally have a market. We can sit in our living room at our house, wait for a specific edge and act on it, and it pays us. How beautiful is that? It's amazing, right? We literally get to really look at the game we're playing. Look at these sellers here off the 20. Look at that 1 hour 20 right there, Todd. And it's lining right up with 6593. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Definitely watching to see what happens at this level. It looks like sellers are already trying to take some control there. All right. What we got here? Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that 1 hour 20. Guys, if that was a 2-minute time frame, what would we be doing right now? Hopping in the market short. Okay. Obviously, we got to wait for the candle to close. I mean, not necessarily on the 1 hour, but you guys understand what I'm saying, right? Context is key, right? If you come home and your girl's having a really bad day and you don't know that she's hungry or something, and she keeps she's being rude, she's getting mad at you, you'd be like, dude, what's going on? I may not understand the context here. And then it's like, oh, I'm hungry. And it's like, yeah, okay. Oh, okay. That makes sense, right? Real basic stuff, right? You got to keep it really simple. The fundamentals, that's what we're looking to trade today, right? Respects the moving average. What do? We trade with the moving average, right? Like, this isn't any crazy, oh, let's grab some crystals and, shout affirmations. Like, that's not what this is. Okay. Be careful with all that. Okay. What this is the simples, the fundamentals, the basics. Okay. When I see the moving average being respected, I hop in a trade. Josh, but it's been very bearish and Trump said this and this. I don't care. The market is going to respond to news in a way you would never imagine. Okay. It's not up to us to predict. It's up to us to react on what we're seeing and what we're looking at. And the way we do that is with our critical levels and our moving averages. Okay. And once again, before we get started, anybody that's ready to take it serious, we got 2026 coming around the corner, right? You really got to ask yourself, what sort of year are you trying to have this year? You're trying to have the same sort of year that you had last year? Or are you actually trying to do something different and develop change? Anybody that's looking to change and looking to join a strong team, learn an edge, execute it with us each and every single day, you need to join the Process in Profits Academy, okay? This is a phenomenal resource for any trader. It doesn't matter how long you've been trading. I've literally took traders off the street with zero experience and gotten them profitable passing accounts in less than 6 months, right? So check that out. It's a phenomenal resource. Links below. And I'm ready to have a great day, guys. What do we got? 4 more minutes? Let's get it on. All right. So once again, watching SPY right there. I'll be right back. Let's get this money. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. You got to loosen up, man. You got to be ready, take out look at that. What just happened right here? We just closed outside the 20 on the 5-minute. So now what do I do next, guys? Come on, you know it. Ready? I go, where's my RBIs and GBIs? We got a GBI right here. Bam. We got a GBI right there. Now, I don't like taking trades before the market open. I don't like diving into, last thing I want to do is be in a trade before 9:30. Why? Does anybody know why? Because at 9:30, the volume, boom, comes through the roof. Volatility, baby. And remember, volatility is a good thing. Don't listen to the lies. Don't listen to what people say. Oh my God, it's super volatile. It's this, it's that. It's opportunity. Every single day for the last 6,000 years on this earth, there has been opportunity mixed with difficulty. Always. That is literally just how the world is. Okay, so volatility is a good thing. can make a lot of money very quickly in this market, especially with futures. Dude, I took a trade yesterday. It's less than 5 minutes. It is literally almost $1,000. Bam. It felt like seconds. So once again, right? Just bring it back to the basic. What works? We don't need to reinvent the wheel, right? Oh, if it's working, don't touch it. Just rinse, repeat, baby. Rinse, repeat over and over and over. All right, what up, team? Let's get it. What we got? Yeah, definitely watching this level right here. Where's my key level on my top step chart? Right here. So let's map this out here. Bring this right here. Bam. This is critical. Style. Bam. Bam. Make her yellow so she stands out. Bro, look at that, dude. You can't make this up, man. Look at that. Once again, couldn't close outside the 20. What happened? Like, what if that's all it took? What if that's all it took for you to become a multi-millionaire? It's just trade with a moving average. Like, really ask yourself that, because I ask myself that every single morning. When I look at the charts and I look at the trades I'm taking, I'm going, dude, what if it's all it took was an RBI and a GBI? What if that's all it took was, you can't close outside the 20, so you trade with the 20? I don't care if you're swing trading. I don't care if you're day trading, scalping. It don't matter. It's the principle. And that's what we're looking to take advantage on today. I also like to remind myself, I don't need to understand the miracle. I just let the miracle do its thing. What's the miracle? When price gives you a GBI, okay? What's the miracle? When price retests the GBI up here, okay? Like, this level is going to tell us everything we need to know. If buyers rip through this level, then we'll look to target up here, right? If sellers rip through this level, then we'll look to target down here, right? So once again, we let the level tell us what's going to happen. Let's go. What we got? One more minute. Blessed. I'm thankful. We have an amazing market. We have a phenomenal team. All my HPT members that are here, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's show the world how we trade today. We're going to start off with one contract. I'm going to keep that here. I'm going to watch this chart, but I got my top step right here. So I will be quick to hop in markets, etc., etc., etc. All right. So once again, we have our GBI right here. So let's highlight it. This is a key level. Very key. Very important. Maybe something like that, right? Will this work? Yeah. Okay. Bam. Let's go. Let's get this money. Bam. Bam. Let's get this money. RBI, GBI. Come on, baby. What's going to happen? Show me. Okay? Show me what's going to happen. All right? We get a retest up here. I'm looking for a potential short play. Never marry anything. Okay? Stay like Bruce Lee, like water. Move like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Okay? Let the market tell you. We're not going to conjure anything up. All right, we're coming up into the level. Let's see what happens here. What are those trap buyers going to do? Oh! There we go. So now this level becomes very important. Okay, this is very important. Buying acceptance above this level, and I'm going to be looking for long plays. But we ain't there yet, guys. We ain't there yet. We actually, Chris Beckwith, what's that right there? That's one of them candles you showed me. That's one of them candles you showed me, bro. Let's see it. Let's see what happens. That's the GBI right there. What are sellers going to do? What are sellers going to do? Oh, my God. If we close below that 20, I might have to put on something small. I don't know. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right. Let's give her a minute. We got 30 seconds before the first 2-minute candle is closed. Definitely looking bearish as we approach the 5-minute 50. Look at that. Guys, you can't make, we can't make this up, man. Look at how it respected that RBI. Or, I'm sorry, GBI. Look at that. Can't. Now, I want to go short. I just need somewhere to put my risk. So, I'm not going to enter in yet. I'm going to stay patient. Okay, I need a better entry. I need a little bit better entry. But what do we now have? We understand the context. Okay? We understand the context very well right now. I got my 5-minute right here. And I got my 2-minute right here. Price could not close outside that 20. Let's see what happens right here. I am definitely interested in a short play. That's all right, Eric. We ain't missed nothing because we understand the context. Also, one more thing, guys. What's that? That's the 1-hour trend. Okay? That's the 1-hour trend. That's going to spice things up a little bit here. That 1-hour trend, right now we're getting a battle. Okay, we got the 9, DEMA, and the 20. We're getting a battle. I will take a short play if I get something I can manage well. This is important here. This is key. This is key. I don't know, Todd. We might be getting a bull 180. I tell you what, though, we're just going to have to stay a little patient. Let the market tell us. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that's bearish. These candles are just a little too big. Just a little too big. We got some volatility, baby. Let's go. What's Tesla doing? What's Tesla doing? Okay. Tesla is coming back up to that level. Ooh, look at Tesla, guys. What you call that? A GBI. I'm not lying to y'all. I got my eye on a short play here. Even though we're coming into that 1-hour trend. All right, hold on. Hold up. So SPX here. Hit this level. Put this. This is a very important level here. Come on, bro. This is key level right here. I really this is a very bearish level. But right now it's a battle between the 1-hour and this level. The 1-hour trend could take it. If buyers take this, it's going to explode. But we couldn't close. We could not close. We could not close. So let's see. Let's just see what happens here. Patience is key. Patience is key. This looks very bearish. I want to see this candle close for a potential short play. It's all about patience, bro. Just patience. Let the market do its thing. Let her tell you. Watch them moving averages. and then execute. That's it. That 1 hour trend though, it's not giving up. Ooh, candle close, 2 minute. Dude, I'm not in shorts. Staying very patient here. It looks good. But I am not in it yet. Staying patient. That 1 hour trend. I see sellers trying here. But I see buyers defending that 1 hour trend very well. So let's just stay a little patient here. Let the market tell us. Coming up to that key level at 66587. Get rid of this guy. It's throwing me off. All right, coming up. Hold up. What's up, babe? Nah, I do. Why? It didn't work? No, baby, you're good. Did you do the right pin? Yeah. 1420. Yeah, it's oh wait. Is it one my pin? Hold on. Yeah, that's my pin. All right, just bring it back. I know it's stressful. The money. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, just breathe. Pin is 1420. Oh God. Okay. All right. Or just go to a gas station. All right. I love you. All right. Check this out. Sellers still here, still doing their thing, battling at this level. Right now, we're just staying patient. Check this out. Strong push out of this GBI right here. I want to see us get back below that 20. Very strong push. Look at that on ES. Right off 6593 to a T. Look at that. Boom. Sellers here. Sellers holding it. Look at that right there. That is beauteous. Beauteous. Very nice push. And you know what though? Like this makes sense, right? We don't have that moving average cross just yet. So right now it's like there's nothing there for me. This is where we stay patient. Patience. Patience is key. I like this SPX chart though. It's showing me exactly what I need to see right now. Strong push off the open. We're coming into 6573. Getting a lot of selling pressure here. Basically, the 5-minute cloud has been pretty much disrespected. So it's sellers are definitely coming in. At this point, I just want to find a way to participate. Right? I want to find a way to get in this. We're getting that. There's that candle you love, Todd, right there. It's starting to wipe all the price action out to the left of it. Okay? This is one of them strong ones. Give me a pullback into the open. Give me a pullback. Give me a little pullback. See if we get it. And once again, look at like this is just how RBIs and GBIs work, right? Like a lot of people are like, Josh, how are your zones always so perfect? Look, right? It's key. Once you see them, you can't unsee them. But I can't get into the market right now because I got nowhere to put my stop loss, right? We always approach it from a risk standpoint. We're coming back up to the open. We got that 1 hour trend right there too. I really want to see. I want something to show me it's not choppy. I want it to respect the 20 right here. What's left on this? Got a minute left on this 2-minute candle. I want to see it respect that 20. Otherwise, it's still chop, and I'm not doing nothing. All right, let's look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Ooh, SPX is starting to look bullish, man. Ooh, look at Tesla here. Tesla is coming back up into that GBI. Tesla's starting to look, it's just choppy. This is choppy right now. It's being choppy. That's okay. Being able to spot chop is a part of the game, right? We got to be able to identify chop and know when to stay away from it. One of the things I teach in my mentorship programs is like identifying healthy opportunity and unhealthy opportunity. It's a very important part of the game. Very important. All right. What's ES doing? Ooh. Look at that. Another one. Strong push right there. It's still really choppy. It's just that battle right there. I really like seeing that level hold though. Tesla with the retest of the area of value. Look at that. Boom. All right. SPX is getting that little battle here at open print. This is key. It's chop. It's chop, baby. We're chilling. Patience. And like this is, once again, guys, this is what moving averages do for me. They help me determine when I should trade and when I shouldn't. Right? If I'm over here, like until I get some healthy price action off the 2-minute 20, I really don't want to participate. Right? It doesn't need to be perfect. I understand that the context is bearish. But I until it respects a moving average, the condition is just it's chop, right? Like I need that healthy. Once again, it doesn't need to be perfect. I need it to respect it though. Oh my God. If we could pull up here in the open print. The key thing here is the GBI was respected at this critical level. So I am definitely bearish. All right, candle close. 5-minute. Let's get a pullback. Let's get a pullback here. Potential short. Might not get it. If we don't get it, so be it. Look at this candle. Closed outside the 50. Tesla, getting that nice sell-off there on Tesla. Coming into EOD and previous day low on Tesla. Look at that. Strong push. There goes ES. Starting to sell, getting selling pressure. Look at Tesla right there. Tesla's looking bearish. All right, I'm looking for a way to participate. All right, give me the loot. Give me the loot. It ain't, come on, baby. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me something. All right, coming in towards the end of day. This is definitely going to be key here on ES as we approach EOD. Daily time frame, definitely bearish. Got a pretty healthy trend here on the daily to the downside. We got ourselves a moving average cross. You guys know it. Moving average cross, RBI, GBI. I'm looking for a short. All right, watching ES. I'm watching ES for a potential short play. Potential. We're going to start off with one contract. I mean, I'm on the 1 minute and I can't even, and this is kind of how the market's been. And it's been, the challenges are really there. Yesterday was tough. We weren't getting any sort of, hold on. Oh, watching that 2 minute. Watching that 2 minute. Close. Watch the 2 minute 20. I will take a short play there. This is key. This is key right here. I'm hoping let's let this unfold right here. Potential short play here as we approach the 2 minute 20. Let me pull my 5 minute up right here. Ooh, look at the buyers though. They're not finished. They're not finished. Look at these buyers. Strong push. Once again, this is what moving averages do for me. They keep me patient. Yes, they make me tons of money. I think they save me more money than they serious. Hold on. We close below this. I'm hopping in it. I don't care how big that green candle is. We close below it. I'm hopping in it. What's left? 30 seconds. No. The heck is going on? Okay. What we gonna get? What we gonna get, sugar? What we gonna get, sugar? Come on. Stay a little close. Come on, babe. Come on, baby. Give me. A little closer. There we go. Ready? What are we going to close at? Bam. I'm in it. I'm trying this. Give me a short play here. My stop is above the wick. A little sketchy play. We're coming into the 1 hour trend. But overall, we're playing this. What is it? Let's see what we get right here. Give it a little breathing room. Just give it a little. I know it's a lot. Don't look at the money. Follow the process. What's the process telling you? What's the process telling you, guys? Come on. Once again, anybody that wants to learn this strategy, that wants to trade with us daily, click the link below. Process and Profits Academy. I'm only taking a couple more individuals because I put a lot of work into my mentors, okay? You join the resource, you're going to get 4 coaching sessions with me. All right. It's a phenomenal resource. This is key off open print. It's kind of a tough one. But we're going to swing it. We're going to see what happens here. Let's play it. We get stomped out, so be it. It's that 1 hour trend we're battling right now. That's the only thing. But you could always find a reason, right? You can always find a reason why we shouldn't take it, why we should wait for the next, right? That 5-minute trend overall looks pretty good to me. So I'm in it. In it. Bump that stop. Yeah, stop above the previous 2-minute wick. Risking about 500 here. It's a sketchy one. All right, there we go. Now we got a little more context. We were able to close underneath that 20 again. Still bumping that stop down a little bit more. And now my stop's going to go right just a little above that other guy right there. I'm going to keep it like right in the middle. Let's see what happens here. We're getting a massive battle right here. We're battling that 1 hour trend. That's what it is. I'm going to keep it where it was, right above that one. Give it the breather. Give it the breather. That was close. It might clip me. It might clip me. If so, it is what it clips. On to the next. So buyers just took that. Let's see what happens here. We're going to come right back up into this GBI in reverse. Watch. Check this out. All right. This is that wiki chop, dude. Very wiki. Very wiki. That's all right, though. We take L's like they're nothing. On to the next. Boom. All right, so we got that moving average cross on the 5-minute. We bounced off end of day. That's probably why that trade didn't work here on Tesla. We still got a little bit more room here on EOD on SPY, though. All right, strong push here. Boom. All right, let's see. Getting strong buying here on Tesla. I feel like I just got too many targets on Tesla. Let me get situated here real quick. What's going on? All right, yeah, let's put that there. All right. All right, SPY with the strong push right there. Think. I wasn't the only person getting stomped out of that trade right there. We're about to see a strong push here from buyers. And on SPX, we're above 6573. Look at that. That was a massive fake out candle right there. But it's still choppy. Like, this is still choppy. It's wiki. We just gotta stay a little patient right here, guys. There's really nothing here for me right now. It's okay to take a loss, right? Think about it. Take a loss. It means nothing, because on my next trade we're gonna make way more, right? So I don't dwell on what just happened. I go, what's the next best move on the chessboard? Do I want to participate in this right now? No. This is wiki price action. We're battling key levels. We just gotta stay patient. It's giving me bullish vibes, though. I'm not going to lie to you. Coming back above open print. I got my eye on a retest here on the 2-minute. Let's see what we get. Look at SBX right here at the 50. And we couldn't close outside that AOV. All right, so this is the exact spot I just stomped out of my trade. I'm interested to see what happens right here. Yeah, this is choppy right here, guys. Approach with caution. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Let's hop out to the 5 right here and just see. Ooh, is that a GBI? What's the low? 65424. 65424. Can we break it? No, not yet. All right, let's see what happens. Let's go. Who's going to take it? Who's going to take it? All right, sellers doing their thing. Give me 1 second, guys. How much money you take out of the ATM? Okay, cool. Yeah, they got to figure that out. All right, bet. Key thing, guys, too, just like reminding myself here, like if the market's just if it's being wacky, it's for a reason. Just stay patient. Obviously it's Friday. We all want to make money. We want to get paid. We want to end the week off strong. But you know, you're only as good as the market can allow you to be. Just want to make sure I'm seeing the bigger picture here. 1 hour time frame. I mean, we're coming up to a key level, and sellers are trying. And it's what do we got? We got 1 more minute on this 1 hour candle. So this is key. This is a massive battle right here on the 1 hour. I feel like buyers are really trying to muscle right here. They don't want to let it go. And it's a mega battle. I feel like buyers tried really hard right here. And what happens here on the seller side is going to really help us. So let's just stay patient. 20 more seconds on this candle. Contracts are pretty expensive on SPX, so that's usually a leading indicator that the volume and volatility is high. Let's see. Yo. Okay, this is it right here. This is key. Still super choppy. Ooh. Could it break the low? It couldn't. So that is not a GBI. It's not. That is not a green bar ignored. So far, all we really have to go off is this pre-market level. Right here. I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish. And that's how I do it. That's how I watch it. All right, let's see. Pull up. Open print. Chop. Straight chop. I'm going to do some pull-ups. I'll be right back. I highly recommend everybody goes gets one of these. Okay. All right. So let's see what that 1 hour is doing. Push, push, push. All right. So I like seeing that 20 hold. I just don't like the fact that we couldn't get a GBI on the 5 minute right there. I mean, it was close, but it makes me think that buyers aren't as weak. So if we're going to follow our 3-step approach, once again, critical level, moving average cross, RBI, GBI. Right now we have 2 GBI. Let's see what we get. All right, Tesla. All right, Tesla respected that really well right there. Oh, Tesla with the GBI. All right, I got my eye on Tesla on my options traders. Tesla is giving me my criteria. I don't want to completely forget our futures like this. Okay. Tesla, give me a 2-minute 20 retest, baby. Come on. Come on, babe. Come on, baby. Come on. I'll definitely trade Tesla right now. What? What? Let's go. Let's go. Strong push. I mean, I guess strong. It's kind of like dragon. But I'm definitely it's close. It didn't break the low. It didn't break the low. It missed it by a couple ticks there. So it's one of those things like, okay, we could treat it like one, but let's look at the overall picture. If it couldn't break the low, maybe buyers are a little stronger than we think, right? Like not necessarily strong enough to reverse the market immediately, but it couldn't break the low, right? That's all I'm saying. It's just kind of choppy. It's choppy. Right? See? This little pull back there. All right, coming into that 2-minute. Coming into the 2-minute. 2-minute lining up with open print. What's the 1 hour looking like? Yeah, this is a tough one, guys. It's not that it's tough. It's just choppy. It's just choppy, man. Oh, Tesla. Tesla. What's happening? See? Once again, right? Like we didn't get the GBI. We didn't get the follow through we really were looking for. You see what I'm saying? Even if it's a couple ticks, everything happens for a reason. We have to watch it. I'm watching Tesla. Let's see what happens here on Tesla. I'll take a short play on Tesla if we close outside that 20 or inside it. I'll definitely take a short. It's going into EOD. It's touchy. Let me see here what we get. All right, close. Where we close? Am I on the 2 minute? Oh, we got 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Ooh. All right, watching Tesla here. It's not it's not my favorite. Strong push. I didn't enter into it. Not yet. Should have. Strong push. You guys see this right here on Tesla? Any of my options traders? That's a good entry short on Tesla. ES coming up into that level again. Just kind of choppy price action. Look at that on Tesla. Damn. Strong push. Coming into EOD. I just don't like this. Is there like a bank holiday or something? All right, I'm gonna hop in one on Tesla. I'm just only going one contract on Tesla. I got my stop right above. Did I get filled? Hold up. Oh, I put a limit order in. Hold up. Hold up. All right. I'm in a Tesla put. I'm in a Tesla put right here. I got my stop. My stop's right above that previous 2 minute. It's just ES. ES is really like Tesla. I'm not risking. I'm risking like nothing here on Tesla. Trading one contract. All right. Nice push here on Tesla. Let's get that push. Damn, I got a pretty shitty fill there. That's all right. Seller's about to come in. Strong. Very strong. Very strong push here on Tesla. Very strong. Let's break EOD and PDL. All right. So while we let that one marinate, let's take a look here at ES. Market's just kind of been really choppy, and it's to be expected. Oh, that's a GBI. That's a GBI. Right there. Green bar ignored. So where can I get in? Let's see. Where can I get in? It's just, this thing is choppy. We haven't been able to make a new low. You know what? If I want to get in this, I'm just trying to validate. Look at Tesla pushing. Very nice push here on Tesla. I really want to see this break, right? I really want to see that break. I'm gonna map this out for anybody here. So this right here is gonna be our stop, and this gonna be right there. Damn. Hail. Hail. Maybe something like that. All right. Yeah, that works. Oh, potential add in here on Tesla too. Let's see. All right. I'm watching 2:20 here on ES. I'll take a short play if we can get a little wick up into it. This area of value isn't that strong, but I think it's just getting started. I think Tesla's got a pretty nice push, nice trend here to the downside. And as that continues, I'm hoping that's going to lead ES to do the exact same thing. So all right. What do we want to do? What do we want to do? I really want at least a little pullback, but I don't want to sacrifice the whole move for perfection. And it's hard, right? Like when you become a trader that actually has a strategy, this is the thing. If you're trading well, you have to ask yourself why. And if it's because you follow your strategy, it's because like we got to stick to the strategy. Look at Tesla here. Look at this push on Tesla. 28% on Tesla. 28%. I think I'm gonna throw in like a I don't want to call it a break-even stop on Tesla. Let's just see what happens. Stay patient. Stay patient and see. I like this on ES, and maybe we'll get a better maybe we'll get like a better entry or something. We at least now we have more of the story, right? We got the GBI, so now we better understand the sellers are in control. Watching Tesla here, I'm gonna just put my stop. Ooh, I like that trend. I like that push. What's the 2-minute telling me? Come on, give me a pullback, baby. Pullback season. We haven't been able to close outside the AOV on ES yet, so that's kind of sketchy, but it's still very early. Look at the wicks, bro. There's something going on down here. You know what it is, Eric? Look, 1 hour RBI right here. Damn it. Damn it. You see that? Well, this is the thing. There's always going to be something. I'm playing into this. I want to target end of day. I don't care about that. So be it. So be it. So be it. All right, watching this on SPY. Watching this on SPY. We're in Tesla puts. I'm looking for a SPY entry here. Ooh. Ooh. Ready? I'm trying one here, guys. Damn, 1,000. Hold on. I can't risk that much. Why is that? Oh, it's because it's that. Okay. All right, so we're waking up into the 2-minute 20. I'm going for a short play here on ES. Nice. Very nice. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. Tesla looks good. See what we get. Let's see what we get. Boom. Getting a nice. And I mean, we got EOD right here, guys. So, this is going to be a nice push into end of day here. This is our strategy, though. This is what I got to trade. So let's see what we get. It's choppy. There's definitely something down here, but you know what? It is what it is. You got to take it. Make sure you give it a little room. Tesla is doing its thing. All right. We're looking good. We're looking good. What's SPX looking like? Oh, this looks bearish. Look at this on SPX, baby. Let's go. Look at that push on SPX. Come on. Look at that push. Let's take it into EOD and see what happens. All right, Tesla's moving as well. I'm trying to manage both of these. Tesla looks really good. Oh, look. Look at that drop on ES right there. Nice drop. Very nice drop. All right, now we back in business. I want to make sure I'm watching, though, how price reacts to end of day right here. I'm not getting out immediately. I'm only trading one contract. I want to do this smart, but I think sellers just showed the ball pretty well. So let's see what we get here. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. Someone wants to take profits there, go ahead. But we got Tesla selling off. So I want to see if this pulls ES down a little bit. But we did hit our target immediately. That's not a bad spot to actually take profit. Oh, getting a nice little retest right there. Look at Tesla cooking. We're up 36% here on Tesla. Nothing crazy. Just one contract here, 35%. That 5-minute trend looks pretty good. What you mean you ain't take profits? What you... Oh, hold on. I might add in here. I tell you guys right now, I do not care. If this respects 2-minute 20, I'm adding in. Simple as that. It might stop me out. Let's see. Make sure you're giving her enough. Like, she needs room. She needs room. Come on, respect it. Respect it. Come on, baby. Come on. I've been here before. I've been here before. Patience. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Oh, it respected it. Can it pull down? And then, oh my God, that was a perfect add-in. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that add-in right there? Oh my God, that was flawless. That was flawless, dude. Did you guys see that? Oh my God, let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Oh my God, let her sink. That was on point, crystal clear, perfect. Look at that. Oh my God. That was perfect. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. That was picture perfect. Look at it drop. Look at it drop. Look at that. All right, I'm taking one off the top. I'm taking one off the top. Where we at? Get filled. Get filled. Get filled. No, you ain't gonna get filled. That was a great one, though. Okay, we took one off the top. Let's go. Let's keep her rolling. Let's keep her rolling. Rolling. Oh, my goodness. Once again, guys, like that's when I say execution, that's what I'm talking about. That is the sort of stuff I'm talking about. Tesla, we're up 60% on Tesla puts right here. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get previous day low, guys. Sellers are just we're just getting started. We are just getting started. Put a break-even stop on it. And once again, guys, for anybody that wants to get involved with the team, click the links below. Okay? We keep it very simple over here. This is basic fundamental. Moving average execution. Candlestick analysis, moving averages analysis, in critical level analysis. This is how we trade each and every single day. Let's make this happen. Look at that. Like, guys, did you see? We didn't get scared right there. Did we get scared? Absolutely not. We said, hey, what's happening at the 20? What's happening at the 20? I got my eye on an add-in. I will add in. Tesla, I'm up 80% on Tesla puts. Look at this. Oh, my God. Let's go. 85% on Tesla puts. You know what? I'm taking it. I'm going to book Tesla. I just want to focus on SPY right here for all my futures traders. We got to break even. I got my eye on adding in, though. I think this is going to continue. I don't like this 5-minute time frame. Chris King, $600 win. Michael Lynch, $600 win. Look at my boys. I'm stomped out. I'm out. Great trade. That was fantastic. Great trade, guys. Phenomenal. Like, once again, clean execution. Very clean. If we come back, I'll trade it again. If this respects the 20, I promise you I will get back in this. I don't know. Maybe I'm a little retarded. I got to keep it simple, though. I got to, baby. I just got to keep it simple. Good trading, guys. Really good trading. Good job. Choppy market. We still executed really well. I got it close here. Listen, I'm retarded. I will take this short. I'm sorry if that offends anybody, but it's the only way I know how to describe being like, like once you can start to laugh at yourself, that's where the progress begins, right? We got to be able to laugh at ourselves a little bit. Oh my God, that might have been a little, might not have been the smartest thing, but let's see what we get here. I'm hopping in 2 cons here. You just got to trust the moving averages a little bit. Oh. Come on, baby. All right, we're selling. We sailing. What's going to happen? We got to break this. We got to break it. Keep the stop above it. Yeah, I should have scalped that one. Oh, she got me. All right, on to the next. Just not liking this market. On to the next. This market is trash. Listen to me. I go full retard over here and I blame the market. Guys, market's trash. No, bro. All right. What's the next opportunity? Perfect execution there on Tesla. 86% on the cash account. I'll take that. 86% on the cash account. All right, so now, remember, we want to stay focused on the GBIs. Look at that push right there. Okay, ready? All right, so the high on this. Okay, so we have an RBI right here. Coming up to open print. Them sellers ain't letting go. I got it. Give me 1 second. I got to do some pull-ups. Pull-ups, push-ups, dips. Hey, Siri. Text Eric Jumper. You working today, Brody? Yes, Matt. Good call. Good call. Right? See, and what you're doing is you're shifting into a new sort of behavior, right? Like we get so used to going fully retarded. Well, let's size up and make the money back. Right? Like we get really good at that. And yeah, it works sometimes, but the odds aren't always going to be in your favor. Like, so the chickens come home to roost when you finally go, maybe I should stop doing that. Like, we don't need to understand it. Look at this. What we need to do is work with it. Like wintertime. Wintertime, no one really likes the winter. We don't really understand it, but we learn to work with it. It's just, life is like the season. Look at this. This market is garbage. Garbage. Look at that. Dude, anybody that's in the green on a day like today, you be proud of yourself. Look at this. This is trash. Trash. Tesla. I'll just trade Tesla today. This is garbage. And that's another thing, right? How many people can actually go, you know what? This ain't good. I'm done training till later. Right? Like, I started to get way better results when I became okay with walking away. This is trash. Trash. It don't mean we can't make money, right? Like, exactly. This isn't about winning every day. It's not. It's not about winning every day. Look at any good trader's journal. There's red days, which means he walked away from the computer with losing. Right? Like futures, that ain't easy. That ain't easy. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like it. I hate it. But it's part of the game. All right, sellers are still here. What are we doing? You got to get clear on that, you know. Otherwise, you're gonna. That's how we blow accounts. Tesla, this thing's cooking. I know my boy Chris Beckwith caught that Tesla put with me. Look at that. Bam. Bam, baby. That was clean on Tesla. Like, dude, guys, look at this. Once again, right? Like it's all about the strategy. We went short. This is crazy. Look, we went short on Tesla right here. That's where we went short. Isn't that crazy? That's where like that was picture perfect. Picture perfect. GBI, 2-minute 20 retest. That's the sauce right there. And she's gonna keep selling. All right, but I gotta get a little more focused. That one. Dude, look at this. This is a crazy battle. We are range bound right now. All right. Hold up. Yo, babe. Is it heat on? It's just a little warm up here. Yeah, that's okay. I'll be all right. All right, we're coming up to open print. Good, great trade on Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla's larger time frame here and see where we're at. So we're starting to approach a key level here on Tesla at 38622. Definitely a solid downtrend here. What's the 1 hour look like? We got 30 minutes left on this 1 hour stick. All right. ES is still battling here. We got a nasty battle. Oh, that's off the 20. I'm taking it. I'm taking one here. I know it's sketchy. This is definitely a sketchy play. Didn't get that good of an entry either. But I'm gonna throw something on right here. Super sketchy. Playing into key levels. Let's see what we get here though. I know exactly where to stomp out. If this level breaks, I'm expecting a really strong sell-off here into previous day low. See what we get. It's always everything's sketchy. You know, ain't nothing ever not sketchy. You just gotta, you know, do what you can the best you can. This is previous day low. Bam, nice push. Let her push. Let her push. 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 Push, push, push. Oh, look at that. Real nice push. Nice push here coming into PDL. Can we snap PDL right here? Can we snap PDL? Can we snap it? Oh, yeah, we about to snap that. Look at that, baby. Come on. Let's go. Strong push right here through previous day low. All right, candle closed, kind of far away. I like that trend though. I like that trend. I want to see if this can continue here. Look at SPX here to the downside. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Can she continue? Come on. Let's play that breakout right there to the downside. Push. Look at that push. Dude, we could get 64737. That's probably a little too far. I don't want to go completely retarded with it. I knew once that level broke, this thing was going to sink. Yo, look at it go. Yo, it's snapping. It is snapping. How much further? I don't want to. Let's see here. How can we play this? Oh, this is how I'm going to play it. Ready? What about my 30-second? Keep it tight. It's right above. What is that? I got that 6551 is my stop. 6551 is my stop on the 30-second time frame here, trailing really tight. I'm going to be dropping a video here soon on how I use the 30-second time frame. All right, can she push? I like that 2-minute trend, guys. But these are key levels here. I'm trying to weigh this right. What's my 5-minute look like here? Yeah, we're super extended from the 9 right here on the 5-minute, but we got 2 more minutes. Keeping a tight stop right here. You guys see it? It's not worth giving tons of money back. Take your win and get back in. I'm not gonna lie, I use them all. The 30-second is a little bit better. The 15 is like super high and tight. But when it comes, oh look, it's right off the 20 on the 15. Look, so if you go right there, you can literally. That was kind of impulsive right there, hopping in that. But you seen how I did it? I played the 20 right there off the 15-second. Just to capitalize on that trend right there. And like that's just how moving averages work, right? Like it don't matter if it's the 15-second, the 30-second, but I'm not telling you, I'm getting out of that though. That was impulsive. I'm not telling you to go use the 15-second, but like when you're trailing a runner, why not? Right? Like use the moving average to determine, hey, like is it healthy? Right? Give it to the 20 on the 15-second. Anything. Just to better understand that the trend's still going in your favor. All right. 5-minute candle close right there. I'm looking for a pullback in the previous day low for another short play. Might not get it. Let's see. And once again, like guys, the reason why I took that trade is because we respected the 20. Okay, like, and I understood the context, right? When I understand the story, it's easier for me to hop down and get into a trade, right? Like, and basically what I'm getting at is we don't always need perfection, but we do always need context. All right, now the market's starting to heat up a little bit, dude. Look at Tesla. Market has been insanely bearish lately. I mean, I like the 1 minute, all time frames work, right? Like, especially in very aggressive markets. Like, if you look at yesterday's price action on the 1 minute, you'll see nothing but 20 EMA retest. So, like what I'm getting at is don't be ignorant enough to never look at certain time frames just because they didn't work for you previously in the past. All right, 5-minute trend's healthy. That 2 minutes a little sketchy, but we are retesting end of day right here in previous day low. Oh, dude, just look at this on the SPX. Hold on. This is important, guys. This is key. Trying to figure out if I want to scalp this on SPX. It's just so far away from the 20. I bet you it's on the 1 minute 20. Just about. So, moral of the story is like, and I hope I'm not confusing guys. Obviously, I'm using the 2 minute 20. Obviously, I'm trading the RBI, GBI on the 5 minute. But I'm at a point in my trading where I realize context is key, right? Like if I understand the context of the story and I see opportunity on the 1 minute and I'm trading futures and I could literally have a 1 tick stop, I'm getting in it. This might be the bear trap. This is important. But look at the 1 hour, guys. Remember this morning we were like, yo, can't close outside the 20. Look. I freaking love this game, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, 2 minute 20. Let's see. Yeah, that's the bear. I'm feeling bear trap right there. Quick sell off. A lot of people hopped in here, right? A lot of people FOMO'd in. Think of how many times you FOMO'd in right there, and now this starts happening. A lot, right? So like another thing I like to do is always go, hey, what the 90% of traders that fail do? What I used to do, right? That's why. You ever be taking a good trade and it feels uncomfortable? It's because you're used to doing the wrong thing. And doing the right thing feels a little uncomfortable sometimes. Because we're so used to doing making the wrong decision. I'm not sure what I want to do here. If it respects it, I'll try a short play. We got a minute. Look at that. Look at that on the 5 minute. 1 hour trend just moved down. Yeah, we're at some key levels here, and we're not really retesting them in a bearish fashion. I think that might be the bull trap right there. What you guys think? I think that might be the bull trap, or bear trap, I'm sorry. That be the bear trap. All right. Tesla. What's up? What's up, Elon? All right, on the 5-minute time frame here, we're now coming up to the moving average. This is where I like to go, hey, has it been respected that much before? Or is this something new for today? Something new. Once again, we also have here what Todd likes to call a bull 180. Bull. Basically, it's an RBI at the end of a trend to the downside. I'm getting bullish vibes here. I'm getting bullish vibes. What you guys think? What y'all think? Where's my team at? Hold on. There you are. What y'all think, man? I don't know. I know it's a little early to tell. I'm just feeling like if I entered short, if I didn't get out of my short play, at what point am I getting hurt the most? All right, we got a little pocket here on Tesla. Pocket mean pull back. Choppy market, man. Choppy market. Albert getting money. Okay. Eric, 200. Mike, win. Chris King, $600 win. Look at this. Look at this, man. Good job, guys. This market is not easy, but this is the thing. Like, I love when you reach that point where it really doesn't matter what the market's like anymore. We just know, we know, hey, when I'll know it when I see it, right? So I'm trading with lower size today. I've been trading 3 contracts plus. What was it? 2 days ago, I was trading NQ. I was trading NQ yesterday too. Actually, let's look at NQ for my NQ traders. Oh, dude, I should have been looking at NQ. Look at this. Green bar, ignored, retest, can't close outside the. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, so NQ here is coming up to a key level. This might be a short here on NQ. I know that seems kind of crazy. Oh, look at, couldn't close. Look at SPY. Oh, never mind. I'm staying patient. What's up, Keith? You got it. She's a twisting. Oh, we're at open print here on SPX. Okay. This is where if buyers are going to take it, they're going to take it soon. 1 hour time frames telling me a little different though. And we got ourselves a trend. Nah, not really. See, I told you guys that was a short play. That would have been a scalp, though. It would have been a scalp. What's up, Key? My cat is not liking this new puppy I just got. She is pissed. Look at that SPX right off open print though. Dude, that was key. Should have took that. Sellers obviously still got the ball. Open print. Can they give us a GBI right here? Who's going to defend that trap? I feel like there's trap sellers right here. Hold up, guys. Give me. I'm going to be a couple minutes. I'm going to be like 3 minutes. All right, I got my eye on longs here on ES. I got my eye on longs off the 2-minute 20 in this area of value. It's at open print. We respect this. I'm going to try a long play here and target this upside. We got, what, 4 more seconds here. Or no, we got like a minute and some change. What do I like about this? Ooh, it's sketchy. I like these trapped sellers right here, though. I think those trapped sellers are gonna, if they're trapped, we're gonna be able to see it. We're still fighting this level up here, though. So let's see. The 2-minute 20 will tell us. The 2-minute 20 shall tell us. We got 30 seconds here. Stay close to the 2-minute 20. Stay close. Take right here. Okay. It's a sketchy play. But the 2-minute 20 will tell us. What's the verdict? What's the verdict? The verdict is no. You guys see it? Hold on. No. You guys seen that, right? The last 3 seconds of the candle. The last 3 seconds of the candle changed everything. Everything. Wow. What a blessing it is to be able to see that. Am I right? Like, what a blessing it is. Like, it looks so bullish. It looks so good. Now what's it look like? It looks like that'd have been a loss. All right, let's see. We'll come back into that level at the lows. If buyers lose this box, this thing's going to sink. So this is important, right? We got selling pressure at open print. Key takeaway here. Hold on. Look at that 1-hour trend. That 5-minute trend on NASDAQ is clean. It is clean to the downside. If we close back below this moving average, this thing could get bloody. I feel like buyers tried to defend the market right here. And now sellers are putting the pressure on them. Sellers are putting the pressure. What's up, Key? What's up, baby? We about to get a GBI? Oh, yo. Look at that. Look at that. Those are them trap sellers right there. Where's my 2-minute? Oh man, this is sketchy right here. Let's see what happens at this 2-minute 20 retest. I like the 1-hour trend. Which is kind of making me lean on the bear side right now. Tesla is still just dumping. Look at Tesla off to 20 right there. Boom, boom. Tesla's been holding the 20 since 10:06. I got my eye on a short. If we respect the 20, I'm hopping in short. Got 40 seconds left. This is important right here. Come on, baby. Don't rush it. Stay patient. Patient. What do we got? 30 seconds. I know it sucks. You gotta wait though. Last 3 seconds will change everything. Last 3 seconds. Come on. What are we getting? Be nice and tight. I want to be right up there. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Respect it. Come on, pull up a little. I'm in it. Trying to short play right here into the lows. I don't like how that actually played out right there, but it is what it is. At this point, I got to marry it. Let's go. See what we get. 1 hour trend looks good. We're just trading one contract, so it's really nothing crazy. My entry was not that good on that. But let's see what we get. Oh yeah, we're coming in a previous day low here. Oh man. See, this is why I like SPX. It helps. It really helps paint that picture here. Right? This is very important here. If buyers take this, we're definitely going to reverse. I can't. Let's see what we get. I think sellers got it. But let's see what we do here. I just got to trust my moving averages. Ooh. Come on. Let's see. Yeah, that 1 hour trend is pushing. That's pushing. That was a terrible fill. So be it. What are you going to do? Keep it moving. Nice push. Coming into previous day low. Come on, push through it. Nice. Gonna put a break even stop. Push. That was a good play right there, guys. Look at that. Fantastic play. Hopefully you guys are catching some of this. Look at that short play right there. Oh, Madon. Madonna mia. Look at that. Oof. Come on, baby. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. I'm going to take it at the lows, though, if we get them. Push. Another 30 cents. I don't know, dude. Guys, I think it can keep going. Push. Tight, stop. I don't like that moving averages. I'm out. Lock it in. Lock it in. On to the next. Great play there. Great play there, guys. Really good play. If you missed it, don't worry. Once again, why did we enter in short? 2 minute 20. Understand the context. Trade the 2 minute 20. I love you guys. I got to hop off. Got to go get some other things done today. Once again, I appreciate you guys coming. Trade your moving averages. Trade the principles. Trust you. Trust your strategy. And all in all, you know, no matter what, we started off with a loss. Came out on top. Hold on. We're getting nice healthy trend here. This thing's probably going to keep going. Yeah, 1 hour trend is telling me puts. So follow that, guys. I love you. Click the links below. Join the team. And I will see everybody on HPT at the webinar tomorrow. Peace.